Want to know the real secret to growing your Instagram followers fast without feeling spammy or fake? Today, I'll show you the easy tips and tricks that actually work so you can boost your Instagram presence and get noticed. First, let's talk about why follower count even matters. More followers mean more visibility, credibility, and bigger opportunities. Whether you're building a personal brand, a business, or just want to share your creativity with the world. But here's the thing, posting regularly is key. But it's not just about quantity. Your content needs to be high quality. Think eye-catching photos, fun reels, or helpful tips that make people stop scrolling. Consistency and quality together? That's where the magic happens. Now don't sleep on hashtags. The right hashtags put your posts in front of new eyes. Do some research, mix popular ones with niche tags, and keep them relevant. That's how you reach a wider audience without paying for ads. And remember, Instagram is social for a reason. Reply to comments, share stories, and DM your followers. Real engagement shows you're authentic, and people love that. Plus, the more you interact, the more Instagram pushes your content. Feeling stuck? Collaborations are your best friend. Partner up with other creators or brands in your niche. It's a win-win. Both of you get exposed to each other's audiences and grow together. Don't forget about Instagram stories and IGTV. Stories keep you top of mind every day, and IGTV lets you dive deeper and connect on a new level. And if you want a little boost, check out Media Mister. They're known for safe, reliable follower growth. No passwords, just real results. Visit MediaMister.com to see how they can help you kickstart your Instagram journey.